It's now the defense's turn at the John Edwards trial. The prosecution rested on Thursday without asking for testimony from the woman at the heart of his campaign fraud case. Anna Werner's in Greensboro, North Carolina, to bring us up to date on that. Anna, good morning.
Good morning, Gail and Charlie. That's right. You know, the prosecution chose not to put Rielle Hunter on the stand ultimately, but they did call many other witnesses trying to prove that John Edwards knew more about the cover-up of his affair than he was willing to admit. And the prosecution didn't rest its case without first taking the opportunity to use Edwards' own words against him.
Prosecutors saved their bombshell for the end, playing Edwards' 2008 interview with ABC News, where he was asked about the cover-up of his affair.
I've never paid a dime of money to any of the people that are involved. I've never asked anybody to pay a dime of money, never been told that any money's been paid. Nothing has been done at my request.
But jurors will no doubt recall Wednesday's testimony of former press secretary Jennifer Palmieri. She said that nearly a year earlier, Edwards listened as his campaign finance chairman, Fred Barron, discussed keeping Edwards' mistress, Rielle Hunter, under control, spending time and money on her. Several of the statements Edwards made in that August 2008 interview were lies. For instance, he claimed the affair was over when it was ongoing and claimed Hunter's baby wasn't his. Former federal prosecutor Kieran Shanahan says the lies hurt his case, but Edwards still has a case to plead.
If he's able to convince the jury that the reason for lying when he did in August of 2008 was to protect his family, then he has a chance.
Shanahan says Edwards might successfully argue he lied to keep wife Elizabeth from finding out he fathered Hunter's child. But to convince the jury, he may have to speak for himself.
I think he wants to take the stand. I think he believes that notwithstanding everything that's been said, I think he's got confidence that he can convince the jury to see things his way.
As Edwards said during that interview, that will be their judgment to make.
But before that would happen, today the defense is expected to make a motion to the judge asking her to dismiss all charges. If she does not, the defense will have its turn starting Monday. Charlie and Gail, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Anna.